In Wood County, we know that we are very fortunate to have 3 occupational therapy practitioners on staff in our Health Supports and Provider Relations Department. So we wanted to be able to share our knowledge and expertise and the resources that we have. We applied for the Regional Technology Hub grant through the Ohio Department of Developmental Disabilities to be able to offer those resources throughout our region. The biggest piece is probably our technology model home. So we have a home here in Bowling Green, Ohio, that we have outfitted with remote supports and assistive technology. And we use that for tours and also offer overnight trial stays. So it does have 3 bedrooms. So it offers the option for a caregiver or a provider to stay overnight with an individual if they want to fully immerse themselves in the remote support experience and give it a try, or they can also stay by themselves. We also have a partnership with the Wood County Educational Service Center. They complete their living classroom transition program in the home. And so that's a really great partnership to get those students used to assistive technology, the staff used to assistive technology, and really help to promote the use of assistive technology in those independent living skills and vocational skills.
With the Tech Hub, we've had the opportunity to have a lot of unique relationships. So Region 1 encompasses 23 counties throughout Northwest Ohio. And I think most, if not all of them, have engaged with us in some capacity through the Tech Hub, whether that be coming and touring our assistive technology demonstration home, doing an individual case consultation with us for assistive tech, attending our virtual brainstorming sessions, which are educational sessions about assistive technology, or actually having us come to their county board and doing a presentation live and in person. And we call those learning labs. And folks get the opportunity to hear from us a little bit. And then we do a hands-on portion where we actually bring technology in. They get to touch it, feel it, play with it, and really experience it for themselves. So it's been really interesting that all of the county boards have really latched on to the idea of having our support as the Region 1 Tech Hub.
One of my favorite success stories from this grant is when we worked with the Wood County Metro Parks. Wood County Parks get adaptive kayaks, and in order to do some of their programming, they needed to have a place where they can access a body of water. And the first step of that program for them is to have a body of water that's contained, such as a pool. So here at the board, we have a therapy pool available. And so we actually brought their adaptive kayaks into our pool here, and then they got to spend a lot of time kayaking around the pool, looking at safety features, if they can get in and out safely. We're able to raise and lower the floor to help them be able to get in. And then we practiced different techniques of getting out of the pool. So that was something that they absolutely loved. They had a great time. I enjoyed watching it, and I think that was a resource that wouldn't have been available to them otherwise.
Some of the counties have really taken advantage of the grant, and they've had, a key point person attend meetings, attend trainings, and now they're really starting to develop their own tech programming and just running with it. So Sadie is a really great example of that.
One success story that came to mind is the individual works in the community independently, and he was looking for a way to, button his polos or zip up his quarter zips with the 3D printer that we got. I 3D printed a button and zipper assist device. So I printed that out for him, gave it to his SSA, and she gave it to him, and it's great because now, he can do it all on his own and he doesn't need any help, and he can get ready for work on his own and go to his community employment independently. Tech can be whatever helps someone grow in their independence.
Sometimes a very simple modification or accommodation can just open up a whole new world of possibilities for people. We've developed some really great relationships with our county school districts and with all of the ADS programs because they have the option to come out, do one of those programs with us, use the assistive technology, and then some of them have even asked about implementing that into their day program, which has been really great. Or their school as well, their transition classroom. So that has been really beneficial in fostering those relationships within our community that are crucial for supporting people throughout the lifespan, which of course is what we do.
I get really excited about thinking about assistive technology just being universally available. So with the Innovative Tech Grant, we were really mindful about working with community partners and places that folks with disabilities go to work and to play and to have fun. So the concept of having places like the library and the metro parks and workplaces already have assistive technology integrated is ideal, right? When we go to the mall, there's an elevator that we can use. There's ramps to get into places. So we see a lot of that physical access type things already existing. So if we can start implementing more assistive technologies kind of as a universal design component, then everyone is going to benefit. So that's what gets me really excited about the Innovative Technology Grant is, how can we implement assistive technology in the community so it already is there and it's already just part of the community when people get there.